How to get student discount on Amazon Prime. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is log into Amazon on your web browser. You will need an Amazon account to join Prime Student. Then navigate to the Amazon Prime Student homepage. You will be able to see your complete benefits before you sign up. Click Try Prime Student. This will be an orange button. You'll be redirected to an eligibility form. After that, enter your details. All fields are required. You will need to input your university, first name, last name, date of birth, and graduation year. To use your .edu email instead, click here to sign up using your edu email. You can find this below the form. You will need to add a payment method and billing address as well. Then click Start your 6-month trial. You can find the terms and conditions below the button. You cannot enroll in Prime Student more than once per account. If you had an existing Prime Student membership active in the past, you won't be able to sign up again. After your 6-month free trial, you will be automatically updated to a regular Prime membership at half the cost for up to 4 years. When your 4 years are over, you will be charged for Amazon Prime at full cost. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.